So it's just about time to get all those presents wrapped, and I have some really fun hacks that are going to make your gifts look like the best gifts under the tree. Stay with me and find out what they are. So in today's video, we're going to be using brown paper from Dollar Tree and some really fun hacks to kind of jazz up your Christmas gifts. Let's get started. For project number one, we're going to use a pre-made bow, and we're just going to take it out of the paper and we're going to take the plastic pieces out. If you buy a really large bow, they will come with plastic pieces in there to keep the bow fluffed up. So you're just going to remove those, fluff it up, and attach it to your package. Now you could use tape or hot glue. Either one will work here, depending on how much traffic your box is going to get. Would kind of depend on how you want to attach it to your package. But here it is styled. Let me know what you think about this one. Hack number two, we're going to use some ribbon. Mine came from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to tape it around horizontal and vertical to give it like 4 squares. And then we're going to take another bow. I made this bow just using some ribbon that I got at Dollar General and a zip tie. And all I did was fold it over, I believe 3 times, and then zip tie it off in the middle and fluff the middle. And then all we're going to do is attach that to the center of this bow. You could also use a pre-made bow here if you don't want to make your own bow, but I like this one because it customizes to the little checkered ribbon. But let me know what you think about this one. For hack number 3, we're going to create our own gift tag, and I'm actually using a gift bag that I used in a previous project. So if you want to see that video, I will put it down in my description box and at the end of this video. But all we're going to do is cut out the Santa, and then we're going to use a hole puncher, hole punch a hole in the top, use some baker's twine to give it a little tag, and then we're going to attach it to our gift. So I'm using the gift from earlier with the big bow. You could buy any bow here that you want to attach to your package. I just thought it went well with the buffalo check. I'm going to secure it underneath the package, and then here it is styled for you guys. Let me know what you think about this one. For hack number 4, we're going to use a Shabby Bow, and we're just going to use a simple ribbons from various places. Some of these came from Dollar Tree, some of them came from Hobby Lobby, and then we're going to tie it off with another ribbon. That is how I like to make my Shabby Bows, because then that ribbon becomes part of the bow. I added some jingle bells that came from the Dollar Tree, and I just secured those behind my bow, and I'm going to attach them to the package. This one's super easy, and this one is one of my favorites from the video today. Let me know what you think about this one. For hack number 5, we're going to use a cookie cutter from the Dollar Tree. I chose this green snowman because it kind of complemented the bow. You could pick anyone. They come in a group of, I think, 6. I'm using my baker's twine again from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to secure it underneath my bow, and then this is how this one turned out. Let me know what you guys think about this one. I think this would be a super cute add-on to a baking type gift. For hack number 6, we're going to use fabric, and of course a video of mine would not be complete without fabric, but all we're going to do is cut a strip. This was fabric I had in my stash, but you could definitely use Dollar Tree fabric here. I'm going to cut a little piece on the end here and then tear it to give it the shabby look. I'm going to do that on both sides, and then I'm just going to wrap it around my package, securing it in the back. You can use tape or hot glue here to secure it. You're going to add a gift tag, and then here it is styled. Let me know what you think about this one. For hack number 7, we're going to add an ornament, and I just thought it would be fun to make a coordinating bow. So all we're going to do is attach that to the top with our ornament, and then here it is styled for you guys. Let me know what you think about this one. For hack number 8, we're sticking with the ornament theme. This one is store-bought. We're just going to stick it to the top with a little bow, and then here it is styled. Let me know what you think about this one. For hack number 9, we're going to use a book page, and I had a old book that was The Christmas Carol, so I just took a piece out of that. I'm tearing around the edges, and then I'm going to attach it to the middle of the package. All we're going to do is use some tape. It doesn't go around the entire package, but I was okay with that. If you're not okay with that, you could use this on a smaller package, or you could use more than one piece of the book. This would be great for a book lover or a book gift in general, but here it is styled. Let me know what you think about this one. Hack number 10, we're going to use some stickers. I got these at Hobby Lobby in the Christmas section. I think they're adorable. I also used them in my planner for one of my monthly spreads. But all you're going to do is put your stickers around to make a pattern in any way that you like. I paired mine with this red and white gingham ribbon, but here it is styled. Let me know what you think about this one. For hack number 11, we're going to use these snowflakes that were little cutouts in the Hobby Lobby Christmas section. You could also use handmade snowflakes here if you would rather do that. I'm not very good at making snowflakes, but all I'm going to do is add them into a pattern. I did kind of wrap them around the side here as well using some hot glue. And then here it is styled for you guys. Let me know what you think about this one. Hack number 12, we're going to take one of those paper doilies you can get at the Dollar Tree, and all we're going to do is wrap it around one side, adding tape to both sides, and then here it is styled. Let me know what you think about this one. Number 13, we're going to use some Pom Poms. These came from the Dollar Tree. I'm using some hot glue, and I'm just going to glue them all over the package in a pattern. I used one whole package to fit this size box, so keep that in mind in your size of package. But here it is styled for you guys. Let me know what you think about this one. number 14, we're just going to take these big pom poms. These came from the Dollar Tree in the Dollar Tree Plus section. I'm going to add three, one of each color at the top, and then that is all for this one. I think it makes a fun statement. Let me know what you think about it. For hack number 15, I used my silhouette to cut out this really beautiful Jesus Christ is Born decal, and all I'm going to do is rub it onto my paper. You're going to want to be careful as you pull off the transfer tape, but then I just added the bow back on, and I think this is so beautiful. Let me know what you think about this one. For hack number 16, we're going to take a pick from the Dollar Tree, just add some hot glue and glue it up to the top. This one's super simple and definitely customizable. Let me know what you think about this one. Hack number 17, we're going to be using some leftover vinyl. You can get these colors at the Dollar Tree. All I'm going to do is take my vinyl and wrap it around the entire part of my box, and then I cut out some little pieces of black to make a Santa's belt loop. Now you could make this as hard or as easy as you would like. I went with easy. I think it turned out pretty adorable. Let me know what you think about this one. For hack number 18, I have this pinecone ornament that I created in a previous video. I'm just going to attach it to the top with some burlap wrapped around it. You could just do plain pine cones here, but here it is styled. Let me know what you think about this one. Hack number 19, we're going to take some wrapping paper. This is just wrapping paper from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to wrap it around the middle of my present. Using tape, I'm going to add tape on both sides. And then here it is styled for you. This is a super simple one that you can add all kinds of different ones. You could even customize for each family member. But let me know what you think about this one. For hack number 20, we're going to take a piece of burlap. I got mine at the Dollar Tree several years ago, and all I'm going to do is wrap it around the middle here, add some tape. You could also hot glue here if your tape isn't working, and then that is it. It's super simple. You can add a really fun tag to this one if you wanted to, or use some stencils, but here it is styled for you guys. Let me know what you think about this one. Enjoyed today's video. I had a lot of fun coming up with these hacks. They're super fun and super cute, and I can't wait to use them under my tree this year. Let me know if you're going to use any of them. If you want to keep crafting with me or just want some more inspiration, here's some videos right here to help you keep in the Christmas spirit. And as always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.